Can y'all can you see my screen good?
Yep.
Right. It's all you, Dr. Patel.
Thank you. What if I told you your child struggle with focus or your spouse's snoring wasn't a behavior or a nuisance, but a breathing emergency, and that your dentist could help you with these issues? Hello, everyone. I'm Dr. Hema Patel, the dentist and owner of Wisteria Dental Care. I'm a whole body dentist who looks beyond teeth to the person as a whole. Next slide, please. To get started, a little bit about myself. I was born in a tiny farming village in India, but grew up in Kenya. The first picture is from my childhood in Kenya of my parents and us four sisters. And the next one is of my babies, who are no longer babies, as you can see in the picture on the left. These people are my why. They are the reason I get up every morning and do what I do in life. My son is, Ishan is a freshman in college, and Simran is an 11th grader. My passion for prevention education comes from watching my parents as a child having so many dental problems and losing teeth, or having teeth taken out because of lack of access to dental care and early intervention. This was very upsetting and scary for me. Thankfully, I was able to restore their smiles once I graduated from dental school. Next slide, please. I love helping people and fixing things with my hands. This is something that I think I got from my dad, and dentistry allows me to do both. After my primary and secondary education in Kenya, I got my Bachelor of Dental Surgery degree in India. And then I later moved to the US and went to Loma Linda University in California, where I got my DDS degree. Fun fact, I can practice dentistry in 3 different countries. One of my favorite jobs was that dental clinic that you can see on the lower left. There was a mobile clinic. There was a nonprofit that saw kids. And this is where I figured out that treating kids was not very scary and that I actually was good at it and I loved it. The lower right photo is me training in Seattle a couple of years ago. I continue my education even today to stay on top of what is best evidence-based medicine for my patients. Next slide, please. Now about my practice, Wisteria Dental Care. That's my amazing team in the photo. Andrea, you're still missing in that one, so we need to add you. We've established 3 uniques about our practice: minimally invasive dentistry, whole body wellness, and be involved in our community's health. I've worked in large corporate practices prior to opening my own, and I knew that I wanted my practice to be different. I wanted it to be a warm, inviting place that my patients and my team feel at home, and we can spend the time to really get to know our patients. Next slide, please. What minimally invasive dentistry means is that we leverage the latest technology, research, and materials to diagnose, prevent, do early intervention, and when needed, treat oral disease with as less an invasive procedure as we can, anxiety-free and high-tech care. And the picture is an example of a tooth that's so badly decayed that most dentists would just, extract it. We were able to save it with a technique called selective caries removal and BioClear. And this was actually a dentist friend of mine who knew that I would go the extra mile to save her tooth. Next slide, please. We are holistic with a W. Whole body wellness means that we don't just look at the mouth and teeth, but also the rest of the body and how this impacts our patient's overall health. This includes sleep, breathing or airway, growth and development in kids, chronic illnesses like diabetes, heart disease, etc. Most dentists, they may fix the damage caused by grinding and or give you a night guard. We identify why the patient is grinding. It's often to keep their airway open. We are shaping future smiles and health with our pediatric screening and early interventions with guide appliances, myofunctional therapy, and expansion. These are things that you might not hear from a typical dentist. This is important because proper airway development prevents ADHD-like symptoms and future orthodontic problems, among other health issues. Next slide, please. Our third unique is that my team and I believe strongly that to have a healthy community, we must be involved in these service projects that give back. These are some of the most fun things we do in our community. Growing up in Kenya, I had always admired the missionaries that came from all over the world to provide services to our rural little town. And that has fueled my passion to give back since I was in dental school. We hold our Give Kids a Smile event every year. And shout out to Walter in our BNI chapter, who has been an amazing volunteer for several years. Thank you so much, Walter. Next slide, please. So who is a great referral for us? Here are some examples. Think of Wisteria Dental Care when you see, for instance, a tired professional who wakes up with headaches, unrested, and tired jaws, or a frustrated parent whose child has dark circles, struggles to focus in class, or is chronically ill and has cavities all the time, or the CPAP quitter who does not want to use their CPAP, has sleep apnea, but needs an alternative that we can provide. Also, to the right are some examples of specific groups of people that are going through different life changes that may need a dentist, and then highlighting potential referral partners for those groups like realtors, pediatricians, osteopaths, cardiologists, endocrinologists, HR managers, to name a few. Next slide, please. If you do identify a potential referral for us, here's what you can say to them. For individuals, you can say, I know an amazing family dental practice that's accepting new patients and works with you to achieve your smile goals. Give them a call, and I know they'll take great care of you. And for potential referral partners, you can say, you should meet with Dr. Patel as you seem to share similar holistic views and partner with her for mutual referrals. Her team will take excellent care of your clients. Next slide, please. And this is my wonderful team that some of you have met in person. And Andrea, lead assistant, is here visiting today. I'm lucky to have these caring individuals that share similar philosophies for patient care and for life. We want our patients to be blooming with care rooted in wellness. Next slide, please. And here is a review from a patient that nicely summarizes who we are, and a recent picture with Harold from our chapter that says it all, that we are in the business of spreading happy and healthy smiles. Thank you, and please use the QR code to the link tree to reach out to us if you want to learn more. Be well.
An amazing job,
Thank
Dr.
you.